we really need to tune into interesting words. We're going to be looking at the article, The Gulls of Sulphur Bay. Then we're going to find out about why the Sulphur Bay at Lake Rotorua is warm. Let's have a read of the article and have a look and see if we can find some interesting words. Would you like your own heated pool? The Gulls of Sulphur Bay on Lake Rotorua have found one. Sulphur Bay has hot springs that are full of smelly chemical called sulphur. So I'm actually going to underline the word chemical and sulphur because I think those are interesting, and I know they're specific to this topic, but I'm not really sure what it means. The springs bubble up and make the water warm. Gulls like living in this warm area. Why is the water warm? Underneath the Earth's crust, I'm not quite sure what it means by the Earth's crust, so I'm going to underline that as well. There's hot melted rock called magma. I kind of think I know what that means, but I'm going to underline it because I think it's also really interesting. In some places like Rotorua, heat from the magma reaches the surface of the earth and causes water to boil. This is what makes the hot pools and geysers at Rotorua. Okay, now I think I know what a geyser is, but I'm still going to underline that word. What type of gulls live on Sulphur Bay? So I know that this is going to be specific to the those gulls. Sulphur Bay is a home to many kinds of gulls. There are black-backed gulls, red-billed gulls, and black-billed gulls. Black-billed gulls are an endangered species. So this is an interesting word, and they are found only in New Zealand. So now that I've found those interesting words, what I need to do is make sure I've written them down on my list, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to have a look, and I'm going to find the meaning of those. I might use a dictionary, I might use a thesaurus, just so that I actually understand what that means. You have a go now with this page as well as the rest of the article.